Flash floods were reported to have struck several areas of Kuala Lumpur this afternoon following heavy rains. The Malaysian Highway Authority, in a Facebook posting, informed that the flash floods affected several roads, including the Best Raya Expressway, involving routes from the city centre to Salak Selatan, from Kuchai to Salak Jaya, and from Kampung Malaysia to Kuchai. In addition, the floods on the Kesas highway also resulted in 4 lanes being closed at the Awan Besar toll plaza in the route heading towards the west, and only 1 lane is passable at km 48.3 in the route heading eastward towards the Sukom junction. The flash floods also caused the closure of the smart tunnel, involving the tunnel entrance from Taman Desa and Cheras toward the city centre, as well as the tunnel exit from the city centre toward Cheras.